Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to buy clothes on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then in the searching field, in the searching bar that is located at the top of your screen, you need to type in the type of clothing that you're looking for. For example, dress, and you need to use filters. So filters are located in the upper left corner of your screen, and here you can sort, for example, by condition. So the clothing can be new with tags, new without tags, and some other options. It can be filtered by category, and also by size, by color. So use filters because it's very convenient to find some specific products. What else? You need to check for seller's ratings. So tap on the product you are interested in and scroll down until you see the username of the seller. Click on it, and here you will see that this seller has 100% positive feedback. And for example, here this seller has 81.8% positive feedback. So pay attention to that, and also you can review some ratings from the other buyers by scrolling to the down until you see detailed seller ratings, and here you can read all the feedbacks that other buyers have left. What else? You need to also check if the seller offers a return policy in case if the item doesn't fit you or it isn't as described. So you can always return that item. And yeah, I think that's all on the topic how to buy clothes on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.